Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am rocking probably one of the oddest looks that I've done, but I really like it. In case you're interested in this, there's an IGTV tutorial on it. I'll link it down below. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you a very easy way to do the marbling technique that doesn't involve water, because I've already done that video years ago. And it was very, very embarrassing. I got roasted in the comments and I totally deserved it because it was a very sloppy video. So in this video, it's gonna be super easy, no water, minimal mess. There's still gonna be a little bit of mess, but you can go wild with this technique. Really, you can create negative space marbling. The options are honestly endless. So without further ado, let's begin the tutorial. Alright, we're going to begin this tutorial just like I do any other tutorial. We're going to apply base coat. And in case you're wondering, I'm using a nails ink bottle cap to stabilize my nails. It actually has that purpose. So fun fact, in case you were wondering why it was shaped that way, I'm going to be using these nails ink colors. They're my favorite nail polish brand. These two that I'm pointing out, those two, were purchased in Mexico, hence why the packaging is a little bit different. And the other bottle, the more circular one, is an old nails ink nail polish bottle. It should go in the museum, but feel free to use whatever nail polish color that you want from whatever brand. Next up, you're going to need a nail dotting tool, or a toothpick will work just fine. You can also use a thin brush. This one's just from Michaels. It's not even a nail art brush, but feel free to use what you have. We're going to begin by applying big drops of nail polish. Feel free to use how many different colors as you want, but do be considerate that it might cause some muddiness. So depending on the size of the nail, kind of estimate how many drops you want to do. Once you have your drops, all you're going to do is just swirl the nail polish colors together. If you find that it gets a little bit muddy or one of the colors is not showing up as much as you would like, you can always add an extra drop at the very end and just kind of swirl it around. So with this technique, it's actually a lot easier to do than the old water marbling technique. I just could not get a hang of that. It's too messy. You end up wasting a lot of nail polish. So with this, super easy. You just kind of swirl the colors in together. It's a lot easier to do maybe 2 or 3 colors max per nail. If you use too many, like I said, it does lead to some muddiness, but super easy. You can get wild with it, and it gives you that marble technique, that marbled effect, without too much hassle, which is really cool. Once you're done marbling your nails, each nail is going to look a little bit different, FYI, just because of the swirling technique and the colors you use. But I think that's what makes it fun. Each nail has its own different personality. But since we did apply a very thick coat of nail polish, make sure it's completely dry before you seal it all in with a top coat. It should take 20 to 25 minutes for the nail polish to dry. Apply your top coat once it's dry, and then you can enjoy your marble nails. Have fun creating these. These are actually super fun. I've previously done a green version of this. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any nail design requests, let me know in the comments below. And if you're brand new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe by clicking somewhere in this video to subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!